Showing here, customer brought me this Craftsman lawnmower, said he can't get it to start. He also said he wanted a new blade because the old blade has a real bad bend in it. So I just did a little test to try to spray some fuel in there to see if it started. Didn't start. It got a little bit of a kick, but it kind of kicked back in my hand. So usually when I see a bent blade like that, the first thing I want to check is the flywheel key. And if you look here, you can see that that flywheel key has sheared. So the timing is now off. So this machine, I'm gonna have to pull the flywheel, get a new key on there, and get the timing back in, and then see if it'll fire up. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my other material. You'll see videos just like this one and the whole fixing process. Thanks for watching.